Welcome to my grammar lesson. My name's Maya and today I would like to teach you how to make negative sentences and questions in the past simple. If you watched the first part, you know that we use the past simple to talk about a completed, finished action in the past. Okay, so for example, she worked yesterday. You know that we distinguish between regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay, regular verbs in the past simple and in ed. Okay, so for example, play, played, cook, cooked, start, started, work, worked. Okay, and as for irregular verbs, you need to learn them by heart. You need to memorize them. Okay, so for example, write, wrote, read, read, do, did, meet and met. You know that to make a positive sentence in the past simple, we use these forms. So played, cooked, started, worked, wrote, read, did, met. We use these forms to make positive sentences, okay? So what about negative sentences? How do we make a negative sentence in the past simple? Okay, so we need didn't or did not. Didn't is a short form, did not is a complete form. Okay, so didn't, when we speak, we tend to use didn't. And when you write something, for example, an academic essay or a formal email, then, did not is much better, okay? And after didn't or did not, we use infinitive form, okay? So let's compare a positive sentence with a negative sentence. She watched TV yesterday, okay? So watched is a regular verb which ends in ed. Okay, now a negative sentence. So she didn't watch TV yesterday. Didn't watch, didn't auxiliary, and watch is infinitive. Okay, I bought a new dress 1 month ago. It's a positive sentence. And what about a negative one? I didn't buy a new dress 1 month ago. One more example for you. He went to the cinema last Saturday, and in negative sentence, he didn't go to the cinema last Saturday. Okay, so remember, to make a negative sentence, you need didn't or did not plus infinitive. For example, didn't watch, didn't buy, didn't go. Okay, so what about questions? You know that in English we have yes-no questions. So I've made 2 questions for you. Did you see a film last night? And did you saw a film last night? Which do you think is correct? Did you see is correct. Did you saw is incorrect. Why? Because when we want to make a question in the past simple, we need auxiliary did. And did is followed by infinitive. Okay, so did he go out last night is a correct question. So I wrote a formula for you which should help you to memorize the correct word order in a question. So it's ASI. So auxiliary, subject, infinitive. Okay, so for example, did he go on holiday? Did is an auxiliary. He is a subject and go is infinitive. Okay, did he go on holiday? And if you want to answer this question, then it's yes, he did. No, he didn't. So for example, did you like a movie? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you go to the cinema last night? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. It depends, okay? So now let's continue. So apart from yes or no questions, we also have questions which start with a question word. Okay, question words, for example, where, who, what, when are question words. Okay, so here a formula is quasi. Okay, so first question word, then auxiliary, subject, and infinitive. Okay, so some examples for you. Where did you go? So where, question word, did, auxiliary, your subject, go, infinitive. So where did you go is the correct question, the correct word order. Who did you go with? What did you wear? What time did the party finish? What time did you get home? Okay, and a very nice example for you. Where did you go, Charlie Brown? Okay, so where did you go? Where is a question word, did auxiliary, you subject, and go infinitive. Okay, so now I have a very short exercise for you. Okay, so your job is to find and correct 5 mistakes. Okay, so let's do this exercise together. The first one, the film didn't finish at 7 o'clock. Finish is the correct one because after it didn't, we need to use infinitive form. Okay, so no endings. Did she smoke? Okay, so it's a question, so we use did, which is an auxiliary, and we need to use infinitive. The infinitive is smoke. Okay, here finish. Okay, the film didn't finish, and did she smoke? Okay, who did he went with? Went is not correct here because we need to use infinitive. Okay, so it's go. Who did he go with? Number 4, I bought a dress the day before yesterday. So this one, number 4, is a positive sentence. You know that to make a positive sentence in the past simple, we need to use regular verbs with ed or irregular verbs. Buy is an irregular verb. So it's bought. Okay, and the last one, he didn't his homework. Okay, so didn't is an auxiliary because, you know, we want to make a negative sentence. So apart from an auxiliary, we also need the infinitive form here. And what would it be? He didn't do his homework is the correct one. Okay, so the film didn't finish at 7 o'clock. Did she smoke? Who did he go with? I bought a dress the day before yesterday, and he didn't do his homework. Okay, so that's all for today. If you liked my lesson, please subscribe to my channel, and you could also give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye.